I'm glad y'all could just kick it with me today. But really though, it's hot as hell outside, I gotta get it. I never pack a 9, cause that violence I'm never acquitted for that stupidity that the rest of the world seems to be on except me. I'm the exception, hold up rejecting, neglection for the passion. I'm rushing, no rushing with this madness. No Madden, this ain't a game, no I never play it, I'm playing it for the fame, but never to achieve or believe or misconceive these beliefs. What they seem to be is not really reality, they bugging me, so I just smoke weed. It's what it is, but I really believe I can make a difference. Opinions, I'm taking out your appendix. Bodily fluid, we in common, I'm a donor, so you know you can get it if you wanna. Hold that beat drop. That was a weird mix-up, but really gotta get it, so I kick up and keep the kick down like a kickstand, like I'm bored and don't feeling like riding on my Huffy. Really, I'm getting buffy, working on my workout. Hold up, I got a murk now, cause this freestyle is so wild and really off the dome, cause you know I'm from the dome, the super dome, that's my home, that N.O. I've been suspenseful since the day they said that I was splendid, gotta get it. Hold up, I hope I never outgrow my fitted, cause my head swell, I never get it by the bell, and fuck it, oh well, y'all haters can go to hell, huh?